So here's my first impression on this Samsung Galaxy A06, or let's say A06. This is a budget device. If you're looking for a low budget device that you can afford, then I will recommend this device. Yeah, if you're looking for a very low profile device that can handle all the social media platforms you need, that you can use it to play even games. You can actually play games with 8 boards. It doesn't carry a heavy game that's, let's say, Call of Duty. I've not installed it on this device to try and see how how smooth it is, but this is a very well budget affordable device. And as you can see, it's somewhat sleek. It's not heavy. It's very light. Yeah, it's not heavy. So it has one speaker. Other devices has 2 speakers. You have one at the top and one below, but this has 1 speaker, and it has a fingerprint by the side here, where you can just tap to unlock it. Yeah, you tap to unlock it. It also has face, screen lock where you can unlock it with your face. It has it. And the battery, I've actually tested the battery with a very decent usage of this phone. It can take you up to 24 hours. I've tested the battery. It can take it up to 24 hours when you play music, watch videos, and some other low usage of the device. It can take you up to 24 hours. But if you're that person, if you're a gamer, or if you're that movie type, you like watching movies, videos like back to back, then it will not take it. But at least it's something that's worth buying. Yeah, it's worth buying. So for the price, before I say other things, for the price, I ordered this from Jumia. I ordered this device from Jumia at the rate of 120,406 naira. 60 naira, 460 naira. So I ordered it on Jumia. So Jumia brought it to the nearby pickup station, and now went and pick it. So this is how the carton looks like, as you've seen the unboxing. So everything that you've seen on the unboxing parts, that is all that it is in this very package. There's nothing more. It didn't come with the cord, what's it called, it didn't come with the adapter, but it's come with just the cable, just the charging cable. So if you are planning to get this, have it at the back of your mind that you're going to buy adapter or head of charger, as we say, and and then you have along with the cord. What else again will I have to say? If you're that person that you want to use your smartphone to do a very serious work, like you want to edit videos, CapCut and other applications carry higher size of MB, so carry up to 300 MB or upwards. This device may lag along the way. It will lag along the way because it has 4 gig RAM and then 64 internal space. That is the room. Am I right? The internal space. So it has 64, while the RAM, the random access memory, it has 4 gig RAM. So that is just all about this device. It will serve you well. But if you are that person that use your phone to handle heavy projects, just like I said, video editing, you like watching videos and other online stuff like freelancer, just have it at the back of your mind that a time will come that the phone will lag. It will be lagging and you will not enjoy using it. But if you need a budget device that you can afford, then I recommend this for you or to you. The camera is pretty good. I really love the camera. It's doing well, serving its purpose. So if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to reach or answer your questions. And if you demand me making a separate video for that, I will do that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the follow or the subscribe button, and then turn on the notifications so I get notified on uploaded videos that I'll be uploading every week, as God helped me to create content. So drop your questions below in the comment section and then give a like to this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.